Hi, my name is Sid Marshall with Sushi Siddo Catering. Today we're at the kitchen of Convivial Catering, and this is how to warm up nacho cheese. We're starting with a cheese product that is designed for melting. We started by putting on a boiling pot of water. We're going to add a little bit of cream to our bowl. We're going to dump our cubed cheese into here. We can add a little salsa to it. And we'll transfer this. There we go. You want to make sure that it's completely melted and you have no lumps of cheese left. Take it off the stove. Put this into a bowl. And there you have it, how to warm up nacho cheese.